How much is a Vizio Smart TV? Vizio Smart TVs offer a variety of sizes and features, making them an affordable option for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment. Prices for Vizio Smart TVs depend on factors such as screen size, model series, and additional features like 4K resolution, HDR support, and smart capabilities. 1. Price range of Vizio Smart TVs. The price of a Vizio Smart TV depends on the model and size. 32 to 40-inch models typically range from $150 to $300. 50-inch models, usually priced between $250 to $450. 55 to 65-inch models can be found between $400 to $800. 70-inch and larger models, generally priced from $700 to $1,500. Premium models, M Series, P Series, can range from $1,200 to $2,000 depending on the features. 2. Different Vizio TV models and their pricing. Vizio offers several TV series, each with different features and price points. V Series, budget-friendly models offering 4K resolution, often priced between $250 to $450. M Series Quantum, mid-range models with improved picture quality and color accuracy, priced between $450 to $800. P Series and OLED, high-end models that provide superior contrast, brightness, and smart features, ranging from $800 to $2,000. 3. Features that affect the price. Several features impact the price of a Vizio Smart TV. Screen size. Larger screen sizes generally come with higher prices. Resolution. 4. QHD models tend to cost more than full HD models. HDR and Dolby Vision. TVs with advanced HDR formats like Dolby Vision or HDR10 Plus are priced higher due to their enhanced picture quality. Smart features, models with built-in streaming apps, voice assistants, and better connectivity options usually cost more. 4. Where to buy a Vizio Smart TV. Vizio Smart TVs can be purchased from major electronics retailers, online stores, and department stores. Prices may vary based on promotions, availability, and stock levels. 5. Best time to buy for maximum savings. To get the best deal on a Vizio Smart TV, consider shopping during holiday sales. Big discounts are available during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and seasonal sales. Clearance events. Older models are discounted when newer versions are released. Special promotions. Retailers often offer discounts or bundle deals, such as including accessories with a TV purchase. Vizio Smart TVs provide excellent value for money across different price ranges. By comparing models, checking for sales, and shopping during major discount events, buyers can find a great deal that meets both their entertainment needs and budget.